Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So what am I doing in the kitchen today? So we are going to do something we haven't got to do yet with this new air fryer oven, and it is a Emeril Lagasse. Now when we first got it, we did a unboxing video of it, but we haven't done any cooking videos with it. So today I'm going to take, this is just a hair over a 3-pound turkey breast, and then it's a butterball, and then it also came with a gravy packet, so I'll probably make the gravy also. This is real simple to do. It got it at the local Walmart here in town, and it was already prepped with the butcher's twine on it. It's a netting that's got it all held together. All I've done is put my seasonings with it, and I'm using the Morton Seasonal, and then Grill Mates Sweet and Smoky, and then I've got a little garlic powder in it, and then of course I've got black pepper in it. This stuff here is really good on a lot of stuff as a rub also. It's mainly for a rub, but anyway, I mixed it all together. I didn't go into measuring everything. I just mixed it like the seasoning that I like. Also, we've got some of our homegrown basil in here. So I set this out about 9 o'clock last night, got everything mixed up, put it in the bag, put it back in the refrigerator. So it's had almost 20 hours sitting in the seasoning mix, so it should be pretty good. Then we're going to use our rotisserie that we got for the Lagasse. Never have used this yet, so it should be pretty neat. I'll get everything mixed together, or not mixed together, I'll get everything put together in the rotisserie and show you what it looks like once it's in there, and then after it's done we'll see how this turns out. The instructions I got are showing 350 for I think about an hour, maybe hour and a half, so we'll see how that all turns out. I may have to adjust the temperature next time I cook, so this is the first time doing it, and we'll just see how this all turns out. Like I said, this is real simple to get because they sell these at Walmart, and it's all ready to go. All you got to do is season it up yourself. So stay tuned, and we'll see what we got when we get it put together. Okay, so it's pretty simple to set up the rotisserie in here. Got everything centered pretty good, and we'll get this thing fired up, and we'll see how our first rotisserie turkey breast turns out. So hang with us, and hopefully this will turn out to be a pretty good meal. Hey everyone, so we've got this turkey breast all taken care of. I had to adjust the time a little bit on this. The instructions call for 350 degrees at 55 minutes. So I went ahead and checked it at that time, and it still wasn't done in the middle. So I went ahead and added some time to it. It's probably about a total of hour and 10, hour and 15 minutes, and it brought it up to the internal temperature of 170. And that's what the instructions call for, is 170 degrees internal temperature. But this turkey breast turned out really, really good. Really happy with the rotisserie part. Everything's nice and brown. It's not burnt or anything like that, so it worked out pretty good. Like I said, just got to kind of adjust the time for it, and I think this turned out to be pretty good. And then sometime I'm going to go ahead and do like pork tenderloin, and really like using pork on the grill and stuff like that. So I think on this rotisserie, the pork tenderloin will be pretty good. So let this sit for a little bit, and here later on I think we're going to have some pretty good eating. So hope everybody enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe if you like our videos and help this channel grow. Tell your friends and family about it. Sure appreciate it. So from Missouri Clark Life, I'm Kevin. Everybody take care, and we'll talk to you later. Hope this made everybody hungry.